Okay, I'm doing a butterfly chicken using this 22-inch grill that holds a Weber top on it, and man, it really holds the heat in. I'm going to try and do this all one-handed to show you what we got here. Bear with me. What do we got? Oh my gosh. Yeah, this thing holds the temperature consistent at whatever degree you want, depending on the amount of heat you put under it. So what I do is put all my coals and fire off to one side, and then I bring the coals to the meat and cook it. And this cover, it just really holds the heat just like an oven in it. Sorry about all this, but I'm one-handed. Anyway, the address to get a hold of us is on the bottom of this video. Thank you.
That was supposed to happen last week, so obviously maybe something changed that they made because that was a great decision that they were giving you